AMP cost in a real sense remained at $0.0045 a coin in a sort of huge manner. The present range, $0, which is genuinely huge. Yesterday, as nearby, $0, which sort of is genuinely critical. The change, 0.0002, 4.26%, which is very huge. Backwards rate, USD to AMP. AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, February 14, exceptionally least cost $0, most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0047 a coin, or so they truly thought. AMP to USD forecasts on Wednesday, February 15, certainly least cost $0, sort of most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0048 a coin, in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP cost forecast on Thursday, February 16, genuinely least cost $0, for the most part greatest $0 toward the day's end cost $0.0048 a coin, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. AMP to USD forecasts on Friday, February 17, fundamentally least cost $0, kind of most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0044 a coin in a kind of significant manner. In multi-week AMP cost forecast on Monday, February 20, lovely least cost $0, sort of most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0043 a coin, in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP to USD expectations on Tuesday, February 21, least cost $0, greatest $0 by the day's end cost $0.0047 a coin in a very enormous manner. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, February 22, truly least cost $0, lovely most extreme $0 toward the day's end cost $0.0045 a coin, or so they in a real sense thought. AMP to USD expectations on Thursday, February 23, kind of least cost $0, greatest $0 by the day's end cost $0.0046 a coin in a sort of significant manner. AMP cost expectation on Friday, February 24, especially least cost $0, really greatest $0 by the day's end cost $0.0046 a coin. In about 14 days AMP to USD expectations on Monday, February 27, especially least cost $0, truly greatest $0 by the day's end cost $0.0046 a coin, or so they thought. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, February 28, really least cost $0, most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0046 a coin, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP to USD forecasts on Wednesday. Walk 1, truly least cost $0, kind of most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0048 a coin. AMP cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 2, least cost $0, fundamentally most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0048 a coin, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks AMP cost forecast on Monday. Walk 6, kind of least cost $0, kind of greatest $0 toward the day's end cost $0.0045 a coin, which explicitly is very critical. AMP to USD expectations on Tuesday. Walk 7, essentially least cost $0, kind of most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0044 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 8, least cost $0, for the most part greatest $0 by the day's end cost $0.0045 a coin, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP to USD expectations on Thursday. Walk 9, essentially least cost $0, fundamentally most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0043 a coin, as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP cost expectation on Friday. Walk 10, least cost $0, really most extreme $0 toward the day's end cost $0.0044 a coin, which sort of is genuinely huge. In about a month AMP to USD expectations on Monday. Walk 13, in every way that really matters, least cost $0, kind of most extreme $0 by the day's end cost $0.0042 a coin, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 14, essentially least cost $0, extremely greatest $0 toward the day's end cost $0.0043 a coin, or so they thought. AMP to USD expectations on Wednesday. Walk 15, really least cost $0, lovely greatest $0 by the day's end cost $0.0043 a coin in an especially huge manner. USD to AMP conversion standard generally remained at 224.72 coins per $1, or so they truly thought. Today, S reach 213-222-226-76 in a kind of huge way. Yesterday, S nearby 215.05, or so they in a real sense thought. The change, plus 9.67, plus 4.50%, or so they by and large thought. Dollar to amp gauge on Tuesday, February 14, by the day's end swapping scale 212.77 coins, especially least 200.00 and greatest 227.27 in a by and large significant manner. Dollar to amp figure on Thursday, February 16, by the day's end conversion standard 208.33 coins, really least 196.08 and sort of most extreme 222.22 in an unobtrusive manner. USD to amp expectations on Friday, February 17, by the day's end swapping scale 227.27 coins, really least 212.77 and in every practical sense, most extreme 243.90, or so they essentially thought. In multi-week dollar to amp gauge on Monday, February 20, by the day's end conversion scale 232.56 coins, most certainly least 217.39 and kind of greatest 250.00 in an unobtrusive manner. USD to amp forecasts on Tuesday, February 21, by the day's end conversion scale 212.77 coins, most certainly least 200.00 and essentially greatest 227.27, which in a real sense is very critical. Dollar to amp estimate on Wednesday, February 22, by the day's end conversion scale 222.22 coins, genuinely least 208.33 and most extreme 238.10, really in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to amp expectations on Thursday, February 23, by the day's end swapping scale 217.39 coins, really least 204.08 and extremely greatest 232.56 in an unpretentious manner. In about 14 days USD to amp expectations on Monday, February 27, toward the day's end conversion scale 217.39 coins, in every practical sense, least 204.08 and most extreme 232.56, showing how impeded USD forecasts on Thursday, February 23, by and large least cost $0, by and large greatest $0 toward the day's end cost $0.0046 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to amp conjecture on Tuesday, February 28, by the day's end conversion scale 217.39 coins, kind of least 204.08 and for the most part greatest 232.56 in an unpretentious manner. USD to amp expectations on Wednesday. Walk 1, by the day's end conversion scale 208.33 coins, really least 196.08 and most extreme 222.22. Dollar to amp figure on Thursday. Walk 2, by the day's end swapping scale 208.33 coins, least 196.08 and greatest 222.22, which basically is very huge. And 3 weeks dollar to amp estimate on Monday. Walk 6, by the day's end conversion standard 222.22 coins, fundamentally least 208.33 and extremely greatest 200.